Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to leave windows inside a program. So if you have already joined this, so now if you want to leave this, you can follow this easy video tutorial. So first you need to open your Windows settings. I am using Windows 11. So hold Windows key button and then press I. This is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings like this. In the Windows settings guys, from the left panel here you can get the option Windows Update. Just click and open it. In the Windows Update here you can get the option Windows Insider Program. Just click and open that option. So as you can see guys, I have already joined this. If you don't know how to join, you can get this video a link in my video description on in the I button. You can watch that video how to join the Windows Insider program. Now I am going to leave this. So here you can get the option stop getting preview build. Just extend this, and here you can get one link leaving the Insider program. Just you need to click on that link, so it will open the default web browser on your PC, as you can see guys. So here some instruction, just you need to read this before you are leaving. Okay, now here it will ask you to log in your Microsoft account. Just click on login link from here. Now enter your Microsoft account, and finally it will highlighted that link leave the program. Now if you want to leave, just click on that link. That's it. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to leave the Windows Insider program if you have joined. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.